Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to display your birthday party on Snapchat. Follow these steps to share your celebrations with friends and contacts on the platform. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account settings. Tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen to navigate to your profile settings. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right of the screen to access your account settings. Within the settings menu, select the birthday option to manage your birthday settings on Snapchat. Locate the option that says Birthday Party and ensure that this setting is marked or enabled. By enabling this feature, you can share your birthday party information with your friends and contacts on Snapchat, allowing them to celebrate with you. Once you have checked the birthday party option, your birthday party details will be displayed on your profile for others to see and join in the celebration. Thank you for watching this guide on how to display your birthday party on Snapchat. Share your special day with your Snapchat community by following these steps to showcase your birthday party details. Customize your profile settings to connect and celebrate with your friends in a fun and engaging way on the platform.